How to create TikTok account for beginners. First, download the TikTok app from the App Store and then open the TikTok app. You'll see this page. You can either open with your phone, email, or there are other options too. For now, I'm using the first option. Here you can sign up with your phone as well as with your email address. I'm using email address for now. Type your email address and then hit on next button. Once you do that, you need to type strong password and hit next. Once you do that, you will be asked for your credentials. Please do add that and verify that you are a human by solving a puzzle. Then create any nickname you want to add in your profile. Then your TikTok account will be created. Thank you for watching this video.